Hello again, we're back to making the ice candy. This is the second part of the video. So they put all the ingredients into this red bucket. Very state-of-the-art and sanitary red bucket. And then they put in the pot.
Catherine, get out of there!
Oh, yell at her. She can watch.
I know, but come on.
She can sit there and watch.
Stand here.
Yeah, you can do that there, but not all the way down here. We're doing something. O, ngayon lagay mo yung dito. Yan.
That's for...
Ano sama yun? Pati-puti.
Adding more coconut.
Yeah.
Tama na.
Having more coconut. Having more coconut. And chocolate this.
Habang nag-ano kayo, ilulugay-lugay mo kasi pa hindi lahat.
And mommy said phone is this.
Ah.
And our cooks is here.
Ano yung basket ba? Ayun.
You don't like the funnel?
No, it's too small. The thing. Maybe pwede naman yata to tanggalin to. Kunti para lumaki.
Para sa mantika na lang yun. Meron naman dito.
It's their homemade funnel. They have a funnel, but they said it's too small.
Tingnan ko nga. Try ko lang. Ito naman talagang hinaan yung bodo. Mas. Mapapagalan ka nga dyan. Kailangan may stick. Oo.
Hindi toothpick.
May stick talaga kayo.
Toothpick. Ito yung toothpick.
Maliit yung huwag kong ibodok ko ng ano. Mabilis lang.
Mabilis lang.
Okay, one down. That's how they do it. And then you put that in the freezer. And you sell that for 5 pesos.
Hindi talaga maanong ganyan?
Oo, wag na. Para mabilis.
All these measurements are done perfectly.
No more sugar.
Oh, they used it.
Yeah.
Parehas.
Mommy, no more sugar.
Okay.
No more sugar?
Mommy, that's
Okay
only
lang.
me. That's only me, Mommy. That's mine now.
Okay, go ahead. You can have it.
Catherine's helping.
Open
You're
what?
gonna eat the sugar.
Dapat meron kayo ang
So after they make the whole batch in the plastic, then they put them in the freezer, and that's it.
Bili pa nga ako ng ganyan.
Bumili ka rin balde na pang ano nito, timplahan.
So now you know how to make ice candy. Go try it yourself. If you like this video and all the others, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Beach Bum out.